Quantum Steel Nigerian Limited. This is 1 inches. This is 1.5 inches nail. This is 2 inches. This is 2.5. This is 3 inches, 4 inches, and 5 inches. They are all conversion from scraps. Conversion from scraps. Then these are the bars, the TMT, TMT. This is the 8 mm. This is 10 mm, 12 mm, 16 mm, 20 mm, 25 mm, and 32 mm. So produce from 8 mm to 32 mm of the iron rods. Then these are the pipes. They have 25 by 25 by 3 mm thickness, square. Same 25 by 25 by 3 mm thickness. This 40 by 5 round pipe, 5 mm thickness. This L40, 5 mm thickness. 80 by 40, 4 mm thickness. Same 80 by 40, 4 mm thickness. These are the strip in making those pipes of different sizes thickness. These are the 1.5, 2 mm, 1.5, 1.8, 1.2. From this we process the pipes. Then these are the wire coils. From this wire coil, a nail is processed. From here we get PRC. These are the materials. This box you are seeing are the nails we took out samples from here. So now this is 5 inches, 4 inches, 3 inches, 2.5. This is 2 inches, 1.5 inches, and 1 inches. These are the boxes.
And all these products are actually made from scraps. All the products are
from scrap. This is the binding wire. This is the iron bar, it's bent. That is to show that they have the strength to bend, because there are some rod that doesn't have that strength. When trying to bend it, they can easily break. But you can see it has been bent successfully without any problem. To show you the quality of the TMT.
Of course, it's Itake, as we've seen on our flagship, saddled with the responsibility of exploring, exploiting, and beneficiating iron ore. And having done that, we're expected to deliver 2.15 million tons of the 64% iron ore concentrate to Ajaokuta Steel Company. Why 67-68% Fe super concentrate to Delta Steel Company, and the quantity of the material needed for Delta Steel Company is 550,000 tons per year. Okay. And of course, at Itake there are different iron ore. We have the magnetite, we have hematite, we have magnetite, hematite, and hematite magnetite, depending on which one is more pronounced here. And these are part of our products. You can see the pellets here, or pelletized iron ore. Have it here. We have the processed iron concentrate. Like I told you, 63-64% to Ajaokuta Steel Company. This is the very material to the Ajaokuta Steel Company. That of Alaja is not here. That's the 67-68% heavy content. And the reserve at Itake, because talking of over 200 million tons, and out of these 200 million tons, 145 million tons are mineable, and out of this we've already mined approximately 4 million tons. So, and a lot of other things are there. You can see so many opportunities. A lot you can see here. There are even more than 500,000 employment opportunity, both direct and indirect. You have it all there. So it's a good place to come and we have been doing very well. We have our beneficiation plans carrying out this thing from the mine. I mean, once they are deposited at the right place, and the next thing is to just We've been in operation since late 70. Yeah, we started operation since late, so I would say, let me just say early 80s. Okay, we are at Itakpe. Itakpe is in Kogi State. Of course, I know Kogi is part of the North Central. Kogi Granite Aggregate is part of what we have as gang. Instead of throwing them away, they use it for building purpose. You can use it to do your when you are constructing building, it's made use of. Then you can see tailings. Tailings is the rejects of what is said to be rejects, and you have this as the end product from the production of the Fe concentrates. Okay, so you have that there. You have the Fespa. There is Fespa. There are other rock types anyway. You have the granite lines for road construction. We have a place called Vejo plant where these things have been crushed to different sizes. We have them there. This is being used in the ceramic industry for ties or for plates. So we have this thing as there.